Great relationships don't just happen, they're built with intention. Today, we're diving into key insights on love, friendship, and family that will transform the way you connect with others. Subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. And before we start, what's the biggest relationship challenge you've faced? Drop it in the comments. Have you ever wondered, why don't I feel the spark that I used to feel in my relationship with my partner? This is a question that many couples face at one point or another in their relationship. Attraction, like any other aspect of a relationship, can fluctuate over time. It's not a sign that your relationship is doomed. Rather, it's an opportunity to grow and deepen your connection. In this bookshot, we'll look at the causes of attraction loss and, more importantly, how to reignite that spark. Understanding the roots of attraction loss. To address lost attraction, you first need to understand the causes. Attraction is affected by a myriad of factors, both physical and emotional. Here are a few common causes. 1. Routine and monotony. As relationships develop, couples often fall into predictable patterns. While routine provides stability, it can also lead to boredom. This monotony can drown out the excitement that was once prevalent in the early stages of a relationship. 2. Stress and external pressures. Life stresses such as work, family obligations, and financial problems can drain emotional and physical energy, leaving little room for romantic feelings. The constant demands of daily life can overshadow the need for connection and intimacy. 3. Physical changes. Over time, both partners may undergo physical changes that affect their self-esteem and how they perceive each other. Weight gain, aging, and health issues can affect how attractive we feel and perceive our partners. 4. Emotional disconnect. Emotional intimacy is critical to sustained attraction. Without regular emotional connection, partners may feel detached, leading to a loss of attraction. This emotional distance can arise from unresolved conflicts, lack of communication, or different life priorities. Understanding these factors is the first step in addressing the problem and overcoming the loss of attraction. Every relationship is unique, and the reasons for decreased attraction can vary. Openly and honestly acknowledging these issues with your partner can pave the way to meaningful solutions. Reconnect on an emotional level. Emotional intimacy is the foundation of attraction. Dr. Sue Johnson, in her book, Hold Me Tight, 7 Conversations for a Lifetime of Love, stresses the importance of emotional responsiveness. She states that couples need to feel emotionally connected and secure in order to maintain a strong attraction. Here are some strategies to help restore emotional intimacy. Open communication. Honest and open communication about feelings and needs can bridge the emotional gap. Expressing vulnerability can be a powerful way to reconnect. Share your thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment. Listen to your partner with empathy and understanding. Schedule regular relationship check-ins during which you discuss your feelings, concerns, and aspirations. This dedicated time for open communication can strengthen your emotional bond. Quality time. Carve out time for activities that both partners enjoy. This can be as simple as cooking together, going for a walk, or planning a weekend trip. Quality time fosters a stronger bond and reminds you of the joy you share in each other's company. Plan monthly date nights where you try something new together, like taking a cooking class or going on a hike. Experiences together can reignite the excitement in your relationship. Affectionate gestures. Small displays of affection, such as holding hands, hugging, or leaving a love note, can strengthen emotional bonds. Physical touch and affectionate gestures are powerful ways to convey love and appreciation. Make it a habit to greet each other every morning and evening with a warm hug and kiss. These small moments of physical connection can increase your emotional intimacy. Rebuilding. Emotional intimacy requires consistent effort and sincere commitment. By prioritizing open communication, quality time, and affectionate gestures, you can build a foundation of emotional connection that will support long-term attraction. Rediscover physical attraction. Physical attraction is a critical component of a romantic relationship. Dr. Laura Berman, a renowned sex and relationship therapist, emphasizes in her book Loving Sex that physical intimacy often falls into disrepair due to neglect and routine. Here's how to revive physical attraction. Prioritize self-care. Both partners should focus on their physical health and well-being. This includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep. Feeling good about yourself can increase your overall attractiveness. Make a weekly commitment to exercise together, such as going out for a run or signing up for a fitness class. Supporting each other's health goals can strengthen your physical and emotional connection. Explore new avenues of intimacy. Introduce newness into your physical relationship. This may mean trying new activities in the bedroom, using sensory aids like scented candles or massage oils, or simply changing the environment in which intimacy takes place. Plan a romantic evening at home, with a candlelit dinner followed by a relaxing massage. Creating a sensual atmosphere can reignite passion and intimacy. Regular physical touch. Non-sexual physical touch, such as a hug or light massage, can strengthen the physical bond, and over time lead to increased sexual desire. Physical touch releases oxytocin, the love hormone, which promotes bonding and intimacy. Spend time cuddling on the couch while watching a movie, or give each other a light massage before bed. These moments of physical intimacy can deepen your emotional and physical connection. Rekindling physical attraction involves making an intentional effort to prioritize self-care, introduce novelty, and maintain regular physical touch. These actions will help reignite the spark and create a more satisfying and intimate relationship. Addressing and overcoming emotional barriers. Sometimes underlying emotional issues can block attraction. Dr. John Gottman, in his book, The 7 Principles for Making Marriage Work, calls contempt, criticism, defensiveness, and stubbornness the 4 horsemen that can destroy a relationship. Overcoming these barriers is critical to rekindling attraction. Practice kindness and appreciation. Focus on your partner's positive qualities and express gratitude regularly. Small acknowledgments can help create a more positive atmosphere. Make it a habit to express appreciation on a daily basis. Compliment your partner on their efforts, appearance, or qualities you admire. This practice can shift the focus from negativity to positivity. Develop conflict resolution skills. Learn to deal with conflict constructively. This includes active listening, empathy, and compromise. Resolving issues respectfully and collaboratively can prevent resentment and maintain healthy relationship dynamics. During disagreements, use I statements to express your feelings without blaming your partner. For example, say, "I feel resentful when," instead of "you always." This approach promotes understanding and resolution. Seek professional help. If deep-seated problems persist, consider couples therapy. A therapist can provide tools and techniques to address specific issues and improve the overall health of the relationship. Attend couples counseling sessions to gain insight into your relationship dynamics and learn effective communication and conflict resolution skills. Addressing emotional barriers requires commitment and a willingness to change. By practicing kindness and gratitude, developing conflict resolution skills, and seeking professional help when needed, couples can overcome obstacles and restore emotional and physical attraction. Rethinking relationships. Relationships, like personalities, need to grow and evolve. Esther Perel, in her book Mating in Captivity, suggests that balancing the need for security with the need for adventure can reignite passion. Here's how to bring a fresh perspective to your relationship. Embrace change. Be open to trying something new together. This could include learning a new hobby, traveling to new places, or even taking a class together. Embracing change can add excitement and newness to your relationship. Plan an adventurous vacation to a place neither of you have been before. Exploring new places together can create shared memories and deepen your bond. Maintain individual interests. Encourage each other's personal interests and hobbies. Personal growth can bring new energy to a relationship. Support your partner's interests by showing interest and encouraging them. Attend activities or events related to their hobbies and share your own passions with him, her. Revisit the early moments of the relationship. Reflect on what initially attracted you to each other. Recreate your first date or recall early memories to rekindle those initial feelings. Plan a date night that mimics your first date, including the same activities and places. Reliving those moments can remind you of the excitement and joy you felt when you first fell in love. Rethinking a relationship requires creativity and a willingness to embrace change. By trying new things together, maintaining individual interests, and revisiting early moments in a relationship, couples can rekindle their attraction and build a more dynamic and fulfilling relationship. Build a future together. Planning for the future can bring partners closer together and rekindle attraction. Shared goals and dreams provide a sense of purpose and connection. Here are some ways to build a future together. Set mutual goals. Discuss and set goals you both want to accomplish. They can range from financial planning to striving for personal growth. Having common goals fosters a sense of teamwork and partnership. Create a vision board together that outlines your shared goals and dreams. Hang it in a place where you can both see it regularly and use it as a source of motivation and inspiration. Celebrate milestones. Recognize and celebrate each other's accomplishments and relationship milestones. This creates a sense of accomplishment and partnership. Celebrate anniversaries, birthdays, and other significant events with special activities or gestures. Such celebrations strengthen your bond and remind you of your shared journey. Commit to continually evolve both individually and as a couple. Attend seminars, read relationship books, and stay open to new ideas and perspectives. Sign up for a couples retreat or workshop that focuses on improving relationships. These experiences can provide new ideas and tools for maintaining a healthy and vibrant relationship. Building a shared future involves setting mutual goals, celebrating milestones, and committing to ongoing growth. These practices can strengthen your partnership and create a sense of shared purpose and direction. Expert opinions and surprising facts. Helen Fisher, a biological anthropologist, explains in her book Why We Love, The Nature and Chemistry of Romantic Love, that brain chemistry changes over the course of a relationship. Initial infatuation is ruled by dopamine, but long-term attachment is influenced by oxytocin and vasopressin. Understanding these chemical changes can help couples navigate the transition from passionate love to companionship. Statistics also provide a glimpse into relationship dynamics. According to a survey by the American Psychological Association, about 75% of couples who seek relationship counseling report an improvement in their relationship. This underscores the potential benefit of seeking professional help when you're facing relationship problems. In addition, a study by the National Marriage Project found that couples who have regular date nights are significantly less likely to experience a decline in marital satisfaction. This underscores the importance of prioritizing quality time together. In conclusion, losing attraction in a relationship can be a frightening and discouraging experience. However, it is important to recognize that it is a common problem that many couples face. By understanding the root causes, reestablishing an emotional connection, rediscovering physical attraction, removing emotional barriers, and recreating the relationship, couples can reignite their spark. Attraction is not a static quality, but a dynamic force that requires effort and attention. As we sort through the complexities of our relationships, we must remain committed to nurturing the bonds that bind us together. In the words of Esther Perel, the quality of our relationships determines the quality of our lives. By investing in our relationships, we not only rekindle attraction, but we enrich our lives with deeper love and connection. So the next time you find yourself doubting the spark in your relationship, remember that with intentional effort and a willingness to grow, you can reignite the flame and create a relationship that will continue to thrive. Thank you for being here and for valuing the relationships in your life. If this video resonated with you, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell, because there's always more to explore about love and connection. And before you go, tell us in the comments, what's your biggest takeaway from today's discussion? Let's keep the conversation going. Want more? We've got you covered. Click the link below and get even deeper insights. No cost, just value.